Hey yo, what up guys, it's your boy.
Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Bafanele Nontiko, umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. We're about to Uncle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So today we are going to shoot another video, another bunny chow challenge. Another bunny chow challenge, you know what I'm saying? So I have a new one, I have another one, so let's go, let's get it. If it's your first time here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. The video in your 50 likes, 100 likes. Okay, give this video 100 likes without any. So here, what's going to happen? Roja, for 5 minutes. Otlo fetang sephatlo sa ka title. Before 5 minutes if winner something. I'm sorry. Winner something. So like so the Thoma race at your pang. For otlo fetang sephatlo before 5 minutes if winner something. So Rothoma ka wa itse ro ilebella okay baby. Rothoma ka date. Actually 5 4 3 2 1
I Sophie. Sure. What's the soul?
Busuku ngalale ukhaya bashibiliki bajayive Ubusuku mnandi batawuka kanti wenza njani emajita kanti uyenza njani uyabalaba Kubsimangeli nyakanyaka Kubsipenduli bazama shibiliki Uye ngibubuza ukuthi bebathini bana young spring thing shona give Uye ngibubuza ukuthi bebathini bazama shibiliki Uye ngibubuza ukuthi bebathini bana young spring thing shona give Uye ngibubuza ukuthi bebathini bana
Matandeni sale ngetom size ngefika Sikalane matandeni sale ngetom size ngefika Sikalane matandeni size ngetom sale ngefika Sikalane matandeni sale ngetom size ngefika Sure
Yo, I beg guys, so I don't wanna lie. Today I was hungry. He is shy of the camera, so don't mind him. He's shy of the camera, so don't mind him. Yo, I just tried to let you. I beg guys, so that was the end of the video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So when
Vista la mai bufu Meta custom tempa Chundum kum wa berri tu kes fai tuku Smeta